Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all what's in my used car business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. After that, we'll then go ahead and dive into my used car business plan template. Specifically, I'm going to go ahead and show you all the Word document which actually contains the business plan template, and then I'll share with y'all a brief review or overview of the financial model, which is in an Excel file. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the used car dealer business plan template, specifically the Word document portion of the business plan template. Once I'm done going through this portion, we'll then go ahead and take a look at the financial model. So when you do purchase, or if you do purchase my used car dealer business plan template, and you open up the Word document, you're going to be greeted with the title page, which will look like this. Most of my clients, what they're going to do is they're going to put their company logo on the top right here, and then business plan underneath. The next page is going to be your table of contents. Table of contents, once you add a little bit more meat to the bone, you go ahead and make the business plan your own, add some more details to it. What you'll do is you come back to your table of contents, click on update the table, click on update entire table, click OK, and then all of your headers and your page numbers will update automatically. The next page is going to be your executive summary. Anywhere you see yellow, I suggest you review it. If you see parentheses around the word or a sentence, that is a place you do need to put your own information to customize it to make it yours. For example, your company name here, business owners here. The next section is going to be the financial highlights. This information is pulled from the financial model. And then the funding request summary is right here as well. So this is just pretty much an overview of your business plan in the executive summary. Next section is going to be your company description section. I give you a great starting point for your used car dealer summary, competitive advantages, products and services offered here, primary target market, pricing strategy, hours of operation. Again, anywhere in the yellow, update that information to make it your own. And then the section rounds up with a brief strategic plan, which is underneath your business objectives and timeline. The next section is going to be your industry analysis. This is updated for 2023. And in the industry analysis, I would just give you a brief overview of the industry here and some of the important factors that are happening in the industry. For example, revenues, revenue growth, profits, profit margins, wages, number of businesses, and employment. And for this information right here, I do get my information from IBIS World. IBIS World is an industry leader in industry research. So I go to their subscription, I take a look at the report, and I summarize that information accordingly, and I do give reference where credit is due. SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and threats. This is pretty general, and all you do to update it is just click on the smart art, click on the little arrow, and then you're just going to go ahead and make changes to your text accordingly. Next section is going to be your organizational structure, broken up into two segments, your ownership segment, and then your organizational chart. Again, organizational chart, smart art, click on the arrow, and update the text box accordingly. Next section is going to be your marketing section. I've worked with numerous used car dealers throughout the U.S., and traditionally, for the most part, used car dealers, they're going to be marketing in 3 channels, which is going to be your traditional, your internet, and your social media. So I give you a good start for each one of those marketing channels. Next section, your funding request. How much money do you need to get this party started? Again, update anywhere in yellow. You read through the whole thing, and this is an editable document, so make your changes accordingly. Financial projections. I do give y'all a financial model, so basic financial model customized to the used car dealer industry. And once you update that model, and I'll show y'all, I'll give you a brief overview in just a minute, but I do offer a more in-depth tutorial that is a little bit more general, but it's more specific for how to use the model itself. But once you do update the financial model with your information, it will produce a profit and loss statement for 1 year, broken up monthly as well as quarterly, month 1 through 3, quarter 1, 4 through 6, quarter 2, and then we'll have 7 through 9, quarter 3, and then month 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then finally, I do include in my financial model a pro forma income statement for the next 5 years. And all you do, like I said, is once you update your financial model, and I'll be covering that in just a second, once you update that, then all you do is you copy and paste your income statement and your profit and loss statements into the Word document, and you are ready to go. All right, so that is the overview of the Word document segment of the used car dealership business plan template. Let's go ahead and now take a look at the financial model. And next up is the financial model that is customized for the used car business dealer industry. So in this financial model, it is an Excel file, so you do need to have Excel to make the changes. It does come with 4 tabs, which is your information page, your projections, profit and loss for the next year, broken up monthly as well as quarterly, and then your income statement. And in this model, or in this file, you're going to have various segments, and anytime you update any place in the darker colored cells, your financial model will automatically update. So your profit and loss statement will update, as well as your income statement. And the segments included in the file is going to be your monthly sales. Again, anywhere in the darker color cells, you update that, your model will be updated accordingly. Then we've got our labor, our startup cost. We have a place for our monthly fixed cost, miscellaneous information, which covers our tax rate. And then we've got our growth rates for the sales for the next 5 years, as well as annually for our cost. And then we've got our loan information as well. And once we update this information, our projections summary tab will update accordingly, as well as our profit and loss statement for the next 12 months, again broken up monthly as well as quarterly. And you do have the option to update this information right here for your sales, so you can update your sales monthly, and you can change the growth rate and it will update accordingly. And then finally, the income statement is here, and like I said, once you're done updating everything in your information page, you're just going to copy and paste your income statement and your profit and loss statement into the Word document, and it'll be ready to go. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up now. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document, as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind, there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.